In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 600 by 3 using the long division method. Consider the number 6. We know that 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract, we get 0. Now see that 0 is less than 3. That is why we will bring down this number 0 here. And see that this is the number 0. So we will remove 1 0. But again see that 0 is less than 3. But as we have brought down this number 0 here, so we need to divide it. We know that 3 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get a 0. Again, this 0 is less than 3. That is why we will bring down this number 0 here. And again see that this is the number 0. So using the same way, we know that 3 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 600 divided by 3 is equal to 200. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.